We have been thinking about whether there is a product that has powerful performance, is easy to use, and the most important thing, it allows users to freely DIY customize the system. Oh right, there is the MMB Android Box. No inbuilt battery and high temperature resistant, making it a safe and stable product. Plug and play. Supports original vehicle USB and Type-C connections. The new connection protocol allows the connection to be faster and more stable. Startup animation. Animation can be changed freely in the settings. Customized Android system. Open More Data Interface display. Check hardware status with a real-time hardware monitoring feature. Bottom app drawer built into the system. Bottom apps can be freely chosen and replaced. The user experience is more efficient and improved. To better facilitate every user, users can change the app shortcut to frequently used apps for easier accessibility. We have designed different homepage layouts. Users can choose their preferred layout and customize shortcuts according to their preferences. All apps on the homepage are designed as layout selections. Users can freely move sections to their preferred screen section. We have provided many different section options. There are options for every preference. Personalized display screen. Support one-click on-off switching for common functions and features. Support display of vehicle speed synchronization. Global firmware over-the-air updates. We have set up servers in many countries to facilitate users around the globe to freely commence online firmware updates. We will continuously update our system to implement new content and optimize the user experience. The following are homepage layouts that will be added in the future. Global firmware over-the-air updates. Unlimited components will be continuously updated with FOTA. To provide our users with a new and more exciting experience, we've also added an immersive mode. Users can freely change the background wallpaper. Not only static wallpaper is supported, but dynamic wallpaper is supported as well. Split screen display is supported. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, smartphone mirror, video cast. Our system is perfectly optimized with original car touchpad, steering wheel buttons, knob controls, and other physical buttons. The product compatibility list covers over 98% of vehicle models.